10 physical traits men subconsciously find attractive in a woman. How to be attractive to the opposite sex is a question that almost everyone wants to know the answer to. Scientists believe that they have now reached a point where they are ready to reveal the truth. Men are built to search for specific traits in women because they are linked to excellent health and reproduction. These traits make women appealing. Men instinctively think, "She could have my babies," when they perceive these features. Getting them to be drawn to you, whether subconsciously or consciously, these characteristics have been scientifically known to attract men. Here's what being attractive entails according to the data. Number 1. Waist to hip ratio. Wide hips are one of the most well-known physical characteristics men desire in females. And it's not quite that easy. According to research, males prefer a waist to hip ratio of 7:10. This is thought to be the ideal ratio for childbearing. Less than that might indicate that the women are unfit for childbearing, while more than that could indicate reproductive concerns related to obesity. Men, on the other hand, do not always comprehend or know what they are looking for in this certain ratio. In reality, few men are aware that they are hunting for women who are most capable of bearing children, since it is a subconscious need that most men would find terrifying if they explored it. Regardless of whether they are aware of it or not, it is innate in them to reproduce. When they're gazing at Kim Kardashian and Beyonce, they just know they enjoy what they see and want more of it. Number 2. Having a distinct odor. One feature that attracts guys is one that the many of them are unaware of. Men who are attracted to women are more likely to be drawn to the smell of a woman with high estrogen and low progesterone levels, according to a study published in Proceedings of the Royal Society B Biological Sciences in 2018. Researchers arrived in this result by having women give their body odor by placing cotton pads under their arms overnight and then having males rate their aroma on a scale of 1 to 100. Number 3. Attractive female voices. Communication is essential in every relationship, and some vocal characteristics in a person's voice can enhance their attractiveness. Men like louder voices, whilst women prefer deeper voices. The sexual desire evoked by hearing a certain tone is connected to the body size it indicates, as well as healthy hormone balance. Straight women are generally drawn to male partners with deeper voices, which may indicate stronger testosterone levels and power. The heterosexual guy appears to favor women with louder voices because it implies youth, and they are unconsciously counting all the wonderful rewards they get from having a youthful wife. A young mate with a fast metabolism and a healthy hormone balance. Number 4. Long, lustrous hair with a lot of shine. Men like women with long, thick, lustrous hair, according to studies. Men associate this sort of hair with health and vitality, according to science, which also indicates, you got it, fertility. This is referred to in Alan S. Miller and Satoshi Kanazawa's book, Why Beautiful People Have More Daughters, where they write, physical beauty is one accurate indication of health, as is hair. Hair in healthy women is glossy and shiny, however, hair in sick people loses its shine. Because hair grows slowly, shoulder-length hair shows a woman's health state over several years. In other words, you should think carefully about wearing a pixie cut. However, the better advice would be to be yourself and not worry about what guys think. Go ahead and get short hair if you want it. I'm sure there are lots of exceptions to this rule. Number 5. White teeth and a big smile. Your pearly white teeth are an indication of excellent health and genetics. Some folks even equate having white teeth with having a better social position, which is considered more appealing. Yellow teeth can be caused by poverty, sickness, or disease, and none of these characteristics are appealing. Your pearly whites are an indication of excellent health and genetics. Fortunately, for those of us who have yellow teeth, may quickly whiten them by scheduling a professional teeth whitening treatment with a trustworthy firm. Teeth whitening will make you grin more, and a smile is an immensely appealing attribute. A woman's grin conveys to a guy that she's pleasant, upbeat, and friendly. A gorgeous smile, on the other hand, will not have the same impact if it is not accompanied by equally attractive teeth. According to a survey conducted by Match Group, the most essential attribute individuals seek for on a first date is teeth. Out of 5,500 single persons over the age of 21, 60% of men and 71% of women said teeth are the most important factor in a possible date. Other research has even suggested that a nice smile can help you succeed in other areas of your life, such as your career. Number 6. Lips. Any man will be attracted to a lady with kissable lips. What does it mean to have kissable lips? Despite the fact that women prefer to use various procedures to make their lips larger, the poll found that males prefer thin to medium-sized lips. Don't overlook the importance of lipstick. There's a reason it was created. Men may gaze at women with red lips for 7 seconds, according to a Manchester University research. Number 7. Big eyes. According to studies, males find bigger eyes more appealing and beautiful. Bigger eyes are associated with femininity, health, youth, and fertility in men. Eye contact is also a highly effective component of human attraction. When we are interested in someone, our pupils dilate, and dilated pupils are therefore deemed appealing, since we are typically more drawn to individuals who are mutually attracted to us. The eyes may communicate a lot, and a specific look in someone's eyes might activate a man's endorphins. Number 8. Energy levels. According to Graham Hill's A-Level Psychology Through Diagrams, males are interested in women who have attributes that make them look youthful. Therefore, it stands to reason that high energy levels would be significant, as energy and youth appear to go hand in hand. High energy is associated with general health and youthfulness. Therefore, a high-energy female would definitely be an excellent contender for reproduction, which, as we've previously established, is crucial for males, despite what we'd want to believe. So women, if you're on the sluggish side, you might want to step it up a level and expend some energy so that you radiate youthfulness. Join a gym, go on a hike, march for a cause, and so forth, and don't think of it as a means to a goal. Exercise and being active will not only give you the look of youth, but will also keep you young and healthy. Number 9. Color. Yes to red dresses. The color of your attire may have a significant impact on your beauty. The color red has been found to be the most appealing to men because it associates with love and passion. Don't get rid of your tiny black dress. Wearing black might communicate to a man that you are an intellectual and confident lady. Number 10. Symmetry. Because face symmetry is so important, there appears to be some math and science underlying beauty standards and what men find appealing. Facial symmetry is defined as a face that is equal on both sides, indicating to the opposite sex that the individual has good genes. And why, oh why do genes matter? Of course males want you to have nice babies for them, as we've already discussed, as women want to be gorgeous, wanted, appealing, and to attract men's attention. But let's face it, most women do not possess all the characteristics of a theoretically perfect, attractive person. Avoid misconceptions, keep a close eye on your health, and use small techniques like red lipstick to stand apart from the crowd. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.